Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style channel, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market update. And we will figure out, is it bearish trend, it will continue to stay bearish, or stock market ready for crash. Thank you. Let's subscribe for the channel to get all my updates, all my reviews, and click like button. Thank you so much. Let's move to Webull. Webull, it's a red day for US market, Europe market, and Dow 1% down, S&P 1.5%, and Nasdaq 2% down. Let's move to Webull setup. Yeah, if you want to learn about Webull setup, just go to the description. There is the link to my Webull setup and all other videos. Okay, let's start from setup. White line moving moving averages MA 200. Purple line MA 100. Blue line MA 50. Yellow line MA 20. Red line MA 10. Green line MA 5. Okay, I'm using three indicators. MACD, red line is a signal line, green line is a MACD line, RSI, red line signal line, green line RSI line, and also oscillator. Green is a bullish, red is a bearish. Okay, let's do it. Let's start from dollar. On daily. Let's start from dollar for daily. Okay, dollar was bullish. MACD just 2 days. It switched from MACD did bullish crossover and bullish divergences, right? It has bullish divergences on all indicators, on RSI, MACD, and also oscillator. Dollar wants to go bullish on daily. It means indexes will go bearish. Let's check 4 hours. 4 hours for dollar. 4 hours for dollar bullish. MA5 did bullish crossover. It touched MA50. Let's see, will it be resistant, or it will move forward to MA100. In this case, it was MA50 was kind of resistant. MA100 was resistant also. MA50 very strong moving averages line. Okay, so far it's a bullish on 4 hours and daily. It's a bearish for indexes. Okay, 1 hour. 1 hour it touched MA 100. And it has kind of bearish divergences on $1 on 1 hour. On 1 hour it has bearish divergences. It wants to do some correction on 1 hour time frame. Okay, let me move to Apple daily. Let me turn off extended hours. Let's move to daily Apple negative, bearish day. The last bar closed below all moving averages. It's a bearish. MACD did bearish crossover. RSI bearish crossover. Bearish trend. Also oscillator green. Still bearish on daily. Let's check 4 hours. 4 hours. It's a bearish also. The last bar below all moving averages. MACD bearish, still bearish crossover, RSI bearish crossover, also oscillator bearish. Bearish, it has huge gap below. I feel like it wants to close this gap. Let's check 1 hour. 1 hour bearish. 1 hour still bearish. On all indicators, still bearish. Far from 820. Definitely wants to go back to 820. Okay, let's move to Qs. Let's move to Qs daily. Let's move Qs daily. Qs daily, it did just bearish crossover. Today was bearish crossover on RSI, on MACD, with bearish divergences. Bearish crossover, and it did close below my 20. Same story, right? It wants to go and close this gap below. Looks like. Bearish trend on daily. Let's check 4 hours. 4 hours also bearish. Bearish crossover on MACD, RSI also oscillator. MA5 did bearish crossover also. It bounced from MA200. Bearish trend. It touched MA50. Like previous time, it did bounce from MA50. Let's see. In this time, will it bounce from MA50 also, or it will go lower? Huge gap below current state. That's what we are going to close it first. Let's check 1 hour. 1 hour for Qs. 1 hour for Qs. Bearish on all indicators. It touched MA200. For last 3 hours, it did stay only at MA200, and it can bounce from it, right? We know MA200 very strong level, and especially we are far from MA20. Let's move to VXN. VXN volatility index for Qs. It's a green day, bullish day, plus 5%. That's what we are expecting. The right behavior, bullish day. No bullish confirmation on MACD yet. RSI already bullish. Oscillator still red. No bullish confirmation yet. Bullish day, but no bullish confirmation. But on 4 hours, it's already bullish. On 4 hours, it's already bullish. For last 2 bars, bullish on all indicators. With bullish divergences, right? Yes. Bullish divergences on all indicators. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour, it was bullish, and looks like it wants to do some correction. It wants to go, but so far, yeah, it touched MA 100, and maybe it will 100 will be resistant. So far, still bullish on all indicators. It means it's bearish for Qs. Let's move to SPY. SPY daily. SPY daily. Bearish signal. MACD did bearish crossover. RSI bearish crossover. Also oscillator bearish. Bearish trend. Gap below current state. Large gap. Okay, let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, it's a bearish. It touched MA 200. Previous, yeah. Recently, it touched MA 200 and bounced from it. Let's see this time. That's what I mentioned here, because MA20 was uptrend. That's why it didn't go down. But in this case, MA20 kind of turned already, and parallel to MA200 and MA50. In this case, it can go down. It can go down and close this gap. Actually, it has two gaps. Okay, but remember, MA200 still strong support. Bearish trend on 4 hours. 1 hour. 1 hour, it's bearish, but it touched MA200. MA200 can be strong support also. Bearish trend on 1 hour. VIX volatility index for SPY. Daily bullish trend, bullish signal on VIX. Bearish for SPY on daily, right? Let's check 4 hours. Bullish trend on RSI on MACD, bullish crossover, bullish trend RSI, bullish oscillator. MA5 did bullish crossover, bullish trend on 4 hours also. In 1 hour, 1 hour bullish case also, bullish trend. VIX bullish trend on all time frames. It's a bullish time frame for VIX, bearish for SPY. Dow Jones. Let's see Dow Jones. Bearish trend on daily on all indicators, bearish divergences and bearish trend. MA5 still didn't make crossover. Yeah, only MACD, RSI and also oscillator, they have bearish trend and bearish divergences. And strong volume for today. 4 hours. 4 hours bearish trend on all indicators. Bearish trend on all indicators. Okay, 4 hours bearish, also bearish divergences on all indicators and bearish trend. Let's check 1 hour. 1 hour. Yeah, bearish trend, but it did touch the MA200 and we'll see. It can bounce from it. It can be support. And remember, we still have it has huge gap below the current state. On a 4 hours, it's still bearish, but it stopped at the MA50. We'll see MA50 will be support in this case, or it will go down to close this gap. Okay, let's move to 1 hour. Like 1 hour, I mentioned already that it's a bearish. We'll see what will happen with MA200. Strong volume, right? Let's move to VXD, volatility index for Dow. Daily bullish crossover on all indicators, ready to go bullish. It's a bearish for Dow. 4 hours. Bullish crossover on all indicators, bullish trend, bearish for Dow. 1 hour. 1 hour it was bullish and it wants to do some correction. Still bullish, still green on the oscillator. And MACD still green, still bullish. It's bearish for Dow. IWM daily. Still bearish crossover on all indicators, bearish trend, It closed below MA 200. Closed below all moving averages except MA 50. On daily, it's a bearish trend. Below whatever MA below MA 200, it's a bearish trend. 4 hours. 4 hours, it's a below MA 200 also, next to the gap. Let's see if it's going to close this gap. A large gap, $5 gap, $4 gap, $3 gap, $3 actually. Gap, okay, bearish divergences and bearish trend. On 4 hours and on 1 hour, still bearish trend on 1 hour. And the last bar closed below all moving averages, very far from MA 20. It definitely wants to go back to MA 20, connect to MA 20. Okay, let's do summary. All indexes on all time frames in the bearish trend. All volatility indexes in the bullish trend. Yeah, that's what we have in the all time frame. In the all time frame, all indexes in the bearish trend. Is it ready for stock market to crash? Not yet. Yeah, because it's still it's a bearish trend, but on weekly they still bullish. And only on the short time frame, 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily, they all bearish. Bearish trend, no question about it. It's a bearish trend right now. We're still above MA 200, but it has to close the gaps below the current state. Every index all indexes, they have a gap up below the current state. That's what we are expecting, to close gaps first. It is correction. I believe it's not going to be crash. It will be just correction. Okay, thank you so much. If you want to learn more about the simple trading style, just go to the description. There are several links to all my trainings, and you can learn it and easily. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. This style works for stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto. I do publish multiple updates every day. Could you please subscribe for the YouTube channel, Telegram, and Discord community, and click like button to support this channel. Thank you so much, and good luck. Bye now.